Everybody who goes through this course is going to have a podcast, and we're all going to be going through the same sort of situational, development in building these kind of interesting businesses. Yeah! And so we want to have everybody together in one. So to do that, you can join the Udemy Facebook group.
Okay!
So now the only people who are going to be able to get in here are people who have published their course. So if you can't prove that you've published your Udemy course, you're going to be kicked out of the group because we only want people who are real and producing real things. So go to freedompodcasting.com/Udemy Facebook group. Press enter, and then you're going to see a tab here. Click join group. That's going to put the request out. Now you're going to either message one of the members and tell them the URL of your podcast and give us the iTunes link so that we know you're for real. Once you're in there, we can do all sorts of things. Every members, we can give each other reviews to make it so that their podcasts climb higher in the ranks of iTunes. And then also we can share it and mastermind and think of different ways to grow your audience for your podcast. So I'm thrilled for you. You guys made it. Thanks so much for completing the course, and I look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group.